How to download YouTube app on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your MacBook. Now here, if you search for YouTube application, you will not see the official YouTube application anywhere. So go back and open Google Chrome. If you do not have Google Chrome on your device, go to Safari or any other preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Chrome download. Now tap on this particular link and you will see the option for download Chrome. Tap on that and Chrome will be downloaded on your Mac. Now launch the app. I will simply open Google Chrome since I already have it installed on my Mac. Now, in the search bar, search for youtube.com. You will be led to the official webpage of YouTube. Here, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for cast, save and share in the menu that appears. Place your cursor there and then tap on the install YouTube option and further tap on the install button in the pop-up that appears, and with this, YouTube will be installed on your MacBook. So this is how you can download YouTube app on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.